Here's a question that comes up. Can I still enjoy life while I'm getting out of debt, paying down debt? And the answer is yes, if you first take the step, homeowners, take the step to lower the cost of your debt. I mean, I'm not talking about refinancing your whole mortgage where it's just going to cost you a lot of money to do it anyway. I'm talking about maybe taking those credit card balances and looking at 3 different options of transferring it over. So all you're doing is paying the bank less and keeping more for you. It's just that little trick of, cutting their portion, not your portion. So you could take credit cards at like 25% and move it down to a personal loan, which is 12%. And if you had $25,000, let's say on that, it'll bring in about $271 a month that you get to enjoy instead of the banks. Move that over to a home equity loan, and that cuts it down to, you get about a little over $350 a month more in your life. So you can still pay down the debt, just like you're doing with, a debt consolidation or a Avalanche or, Snowball. But if you first transfer it over, even to 0% cards anyway, because they're going to charge you 3 to 5% to move them over. But even with that transfer, you take that $25,000, it's only $1,000 compared to, 62. So you're saving over $400 a month. That's $400 a month you could put into your life and still pay down the debt. So yes, there is a way to enjoy life while you're getting out of debt, paying down that debt. It's all about, taking first from the banks, which means you're going to refinance that down to whatever you could get it into, something cheaper and on the cheap. You don't want to pay a lot of money like a refinance to do that. A couple $100 for a home equity loan or the transfer fees that we already put in there for the 0% cards. So check it out. You can enjoy life while you're still getting out of debt.